Alright, let's settle this for you all right now. From what you all have seen my content, you can already tell of where I film. Basically, every video of mine is in my home. From the moment I started my channel is where I am today. And now that I am older, half of you all are telling me to move on and hit places to film planes or trains. Which, number one, I am going to hit places soon to film my content when I am able to. And second, it's going to be a while for that to happen, so you all will have to wait at least another 2 years for that. But recently, I hit my first ever place to film trains, but on the weekend. So without any further explanation, let's begin today's video. It is Saturday, February 8th, 2025, and today I am hitting my first ever place to film trains. But before we head over there, I wanted to do something first. This may sound ridiculous to you all, but I wanted to compare and see how does it feel when I go out and when I stay home. It sounds ridiculous, but it sounds right for me. So let's just shut up now and begin the video now. Here is train 1103 to Rockport with the iconic GB40MC 1129 in the lead. We will highly doubt the 1129 later in this video, but who knows. Anyways, here is our next train, the last one for the morning before we head out to the place. Here is train 1102 to North Station, with CTC-5B 1800 in the lead. And now, with the magic of YouTube, let's head over to the place where I will be filming some trains for the first time. And we are here, and by looking at the Sliver Line buses, there is no chance of hiding of where I am. We are at Chelsea Station, the beginning of me filming trains anywhere except my home. This is real exciting for me. The moment we pulled into the station, we saw train 1156 from Newburyport arriving at the station. The leading cab car was CTC-4B 1704, and at the back was GB40MC 1115, and the set left quickly. And no, I will not be alone at the station since I am not old enough yet to go. I am going with my mentor to film trains. For those who don't know what a mentor is a professional adult who works at a program in your school, and if you get one, like me, you can go anywhere with your mentor. But also, mentors aren't just for going to places. You can also chat with them about school, classes. They are basically adults who can help you, but they are not able to help you in school. They can help you by talking to them and figuring it out. So yes, I will be with my mentor for this day, so I apologize if some clips are not good. But anyways, let's stop talking and let's get our first ever train at Chelsea. Here is train 1107 to Rockport with GB40MC 1138 in the lead and CTC-5B 1806 at the rear. If you all hear me talking in the clips, then you guys can ignore that, because sometimes it's personal stuff and I can't mute the clips due to issues, so I would appreciate it if you all can ignore whatever I say to my mentor in the clips. But anyways, let's get some Boston Bruins fans for our first ever inbound train. Here is train 1106 to North Station, with C2C-4B 1717 in the lead and HSP 46 2012 at the rear. These Boston Bruins fans were heading to TD Garden for a game of the Boston Bruins. Man, I can't go back there without AJR. It doesn't feel right. And yes, that's what I feel. But anyways, back to the video. Here is 1106 leaving Chelsea for North Station. That iconic sound of the HSP-46 will never get over my ears. But guys, like every single weekend, we have to wait an hour for every outbound and inbound. So we had to wait 40 minutes for our next outbound after 1106 left the station. And we were cold. Luckily, we had jackets for the cold and winds. Here is train 1159 to Newburyport with GP40MC 1139 at the front and CTC-5B 1800 at the rear. One dish light is not working. Can live without these cacti. He really wants them. I don't know.
They said that on your YouTube or what?
They didn't really. And with my mentor asking me about my channel history, we went to a nearby Burger King for lunch and we got stopped by a crossing for train 1109 to pass to Rockport with the iconic GP40MC 1129 we saw earlier in this video with CTC-4B 1718 at the rear. But I think we all know what 1129 would do at a crossing, especially a railfanner. This 1129 was repainted into a very old MBTA heritage paint scheme, which the MBTA used a very long time ago. And this paint scheme has gotten a lot of attention to from people. But anyways, here is 1129 departing Chelsea to Rockport, and I think we all know what's about to happen. That was the loudest honk from a GB40MC I've ever heard. I can see why 1129 is iconic with the MBTA. However, I couldn't stay for this long at Chelsea due to so much coldness and winds blowing more hard. I agreed that this will be my final train at Chelsea for the day. At some point, I will be able to go back here at Chelsea, but on a weekday, because weekends is basically 1 whole hour for each train, and on weekdays, it's every 30 minutes. So we'll see when I go back to Chelsea to film more trains. Here is train 1108 to North Station with CTC-5B 1806 in the lead and GB40NC 1138 at the rear. Now hold up here, I did say it was my last train to film at Chelsea, but I did not say it was the end of this video. So here we are again at my home, and let's get 2 more trains. Here is train 1111 to Rockport with GP40MC 1115 in the lead and CGC-4B 1704 at the rear. Here is train 1110 to North Station with CTC-4B 1718 in the lead and the iconic 1129 at the rear, wrapping up a chilly day out on the rails.